In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a WooCommerce store in WordPress from start to finish. We'll begin by signing in to your WordPress dashboard, since this is where all of your store settings, design options, and products will be managed. Once you're inside, go to Plugins, then Add New, and search for WooCommerce. When it appears in the search results, install it and activate the plugin. This is the core tool that turns a standard WordPress site into a fully functional online store. After activation, WooCommerce will usually guide you into its setup wizard. Go through that process carefully because it helps you establish the foundation of your store. At this stage, you'll also want to select a suitable website theme and customize it so your store looks clean, professional, and aligned with your brand. A good theme should not only look nice, but also support product pages, checkout, and mobile browsing smoothly. Next, configure your essential store settings. This includes your store address, currency, tax preferences, account options, and checkout settings. These details affect how customers see prices, how taxes are handled, and how easy it is for people to complete their purchases. Taking a few extra minutes here can prevent confusion later. Once that's done, create your shipping zones and assign shipping methods to each one. This allows you to control how shipping is offered depending on customer location. Then connect your preferred payment gateways so customers can pay using the options you want to offer. After that, review the customer email notifications and customize them to match your store's tone and branding, so order confirmations and updates feel polished and trustworthy. Now it's time to add your products. For each item, include clear images, accurate pricing, helpful descriptions, relevant categories, and inventory details. Good product information makes your store easier to browse and helps customers make confident buying decisions. After your products are in place, add the shop page to your primary navigation menu and arrange it in the correct position so visitors can find it easily. Then configure your product URL structure to keep links clean and organized, which is better for both usability and search visibility. Finally, customize the shop page and individual product pages so the shopping experience feels consistent and user-friendly. Before you launch, test the complete purchase process from beginning to end. Make sure browsing, adding products to the cart, checkout, payment, and confirmation emails all work as expected. This final test is one of the most important parts of the setup because it helps you catch issues before real customers do.